If you regularly cut different types of heat transfers with your vinyl cutter, you'll know how your cutting mat can really gunk up from dust, torn paper bits, and other residue. And more often than not, this can lead to the mat losing its adhesive grip over time, which definitely won't suit well when you need it for an important job. To remedy this, AlbaChem now offers a cutting mat cleaner to pair with the Eco Mist Adhesive Spray. Both serve as powerful tools in restoring worn out cutting mats. Before proceeding, you want to be sure to cover your surface with parchment paper or any similar form of temporary covering. This will prevent any residue from both the cutting mat cleaner and Eco Mist from sticking onto the surface. Setting your cutting mat onto the covered surface, lightly spray AlbaChem cutting mat cleaner around the entire cutting mat. Then you may scrape the mat's residue out with a squeegeeing tool. The cutting mat itself is now clean, but next step is to use the AlbaChem Eco Mist to restore the adhesive. This adhesive spray is ideal for this purpose due to its fast tacked, yet repositionable nature that's standard on many cutting mats. Tape the cutting mat to your surface with wide strips of protective tape. Make sure the tape is covering the borders of the mat while leaving its adhesive portion open. Then you may lightly spray Eco Mist all around the cutting mat's adhesive surface and let it settle in for 1 to 2 minutes. A light spraying will be enough for materials like vinyl and heat transfer paper to tack onto the mat. Once it's ready, you'll take the protective tape off the mat, and now it's ready to hold more materials to cut. You can order AlbaChem Cutting Mat Cleaner and Eco Mist now at heatpressnation.com.